Hello, I'm gonna make a little review on the Sunbeam 7 outlet power strip. So this little thing is divided into two parts. The first one here with the two power outlets, they work independently. So the power is always on. So you don't have to worry about anything. You just plug something in and it works. I plugged in a clock and it works. However, the second part, which has these 4 green outlets plus this master one, they don't work independently. For instance, if I plug the clock here, it doesn't work. So these 5 here work as a team. But in order for these 4, for the 4 green ones, in order for them to work, something has to be plugged in here and turned on. You want to plug any kind of large device that you can turn on and off. The best device to plug it in would be a TV. That's a TV. This is the thing. When you plug in the TV, still doesn't work because you have to turn it on to make it work. So basically the TV works as a switch. The TV is gonna work like this switch over here. So when you turn it on, the rest is gonna be on. When you turn it off, it's gonna turn off. For instance, right now it's plugged in, but it's not turned on. So let's plug in the clock. It doesn't work. So for the clock to work, you have to turn on the TV. Let's turn on the TV. So when it's on, now it works. The rest of the plugs, the green ones, are gonna work once you have a device here on the master and it's on. So it works. As I said before, the TV works as a switch. You can plug something else. Let's charge a phone. So it works. It's charging. Also, when I turn on the TV, the green light over here turns on. So it indicates that the rest of the 4 green outlets have enough power to plug in your devices. Let me turn off the TV so you can see once I turn off the TV, there is not enough power supply to the green outlets, and therefore the green outlets will not work. It may take like maybe up to a minute to complete turn off the green outlets, but you know, let's see. Let me turn off the TV. And the green light is gonna turn off. As I said before, it may take like up to a minute, but it will turn off. See, it turned off. So now the green outlets do not work because the TV is off. The TV acts as a main switch. Let's turn it on. Look. I turn on, the green light is on, which indicates that the 4 green outlets now work. Another thing to consider is the fact that the TV works as the main borrower of power to the rest of these outlets. So here you want to put a larger device, like a TV is a perfect example, because this is gonna tell the rest of the unit how much power is gonna need for the rest. And depending on the size of the TV, for instance, this one's like a small, medium-sized TV, you want to always start, you see this threshold? You want to start with low, because I was using in medium and it didn't work because this TV doesn't use that much power, and it was borrowing more that it could handle. So that's why it's always to start with low. So if you have like a medium to large size TV, you may want to put in medium, or if you have like a larger, like one of those big screen TVs, you may want to use high, but always start with low and it will work. In summary, they want you to use the lower part for important devices, because they need to be on all the time, like medical devices, your internet router, maybe surveillance cameras. The upper part, on the other hand, is used for entertainment purposes. You use your main TV like your switch, and anything that works in conjunction with your TV, you can plug in the green outlets. For instance, you can plug in your Apple TV, your DVR, your DVD player, maybe power speakers, your game console, anything that works in conjunction with your TV, because once you turn off the TV, the rest of the devices are gonna be off too. So upper part, entertainment purposes, lower part, important devices.